Hello dear friends, today I'm going to show you how to operate your front and rear demisters. Every car has different setting and different kind of demisters and different kind of buttons. I have a Toyota Corolla hybrid which has front and rear demisters here. This is a front demister and this is a back demister. We need this demister when there's a rainy day like this today, and it will be very likely that you'll see frost on the windscreen and you won't be able to see through. So to get rid of the frost from the windscreen, you need to press this button. So let's see what happens when we press the front demister button. You'll see that this fan speed will automatically start increasing. It will reach higher speed automatically, but it's very noisy. So we'll keep it to number 2 only. So we'll press this little fan button and we'll keep the speed to number 2 only. So this should be enough for us. And this is your rear demister button. So to start your rear demister, you just need to press this button once and you're done. And that's it. This is how you get rid of the frost from the front windscreen and the rear window. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Wish you all the best.